You know what I don't like about this car?
That you don't own it?
Besides everything on it.
What's that?
Is that I have to be so careful with it, and anytime I accidentally touch a tool against something, you look at me. I'm just like working, and all you hear is ding. And you look right at me in my eyes. Just yes, yeah. I know I hit it. I know. I don't care.
That's the problem. I know you don't care.
There used to be a time where I needed a broom to hold up this enormous 800-pound hatch. Guaranteed this thing weighs like 800 pounds. Nice strutless design, no? Man, look how clean it is in here. Everything above the car is clean. Underneath the car, yeah. While Raymond's over there busy cutting stuff he probably shouldn't be cutting. Are you certified to cut?
No.
Alright, so while he's doing that, I've got the transmission back in it, and
yeah, okay.
we got the trans back in, and the new Pro Torque billet, nice and actual real billet converter. Back in the car. This is a bad motherfucking converter. That's all I gotta say. What are the chances that Raymond spills transmission fluid all over his shiny engine bay?
It's highly unlikely.
I see smudges. I see smudges in the paint already.
It's sweat. Blood, sweat, and tears. Jesus Christ. First gear, it just like rolled off on its own.
I think that may have been the first time he's ever pulled the trans brake on that thing since we put it together. I'm sure that lit him up. Car's good, not leaking, everything seems tight. He's liking how it feels, the responsiveness of the converter. We won't know until we start obviously putting power to it and get down the road, depending on how fast he wants to go. Then we'll see what the converter is, but that's always just a stator swap. The rest should feel really good. Oh my God, Raymond's Camaro's back we need to find out what it weighs. And it's gonna, of course, it's gonna weigh, spoiler alert, every bit of 4,000 pounds. But we need to find out for sure what the weight bias is. Obviously, we want to take away weight. That's the main
So
goal.
your guess is 4,000?
4,000, yeah. Okay, realistically, 3850.
38. No. What are they? What are they stock? 36?
Like 3,700, dude, is not stock, bro.
No,
you've done zero weight savings. You just added.
I'm going with 33.
Oh my God. that right there weighs 3,300. That's what 3,300 pounds gets you, right there.
The dumpster's coming for this thing.
Don't say that. All right, do you know what you're doing?
I set it up for you.
What?
Go ahead and get on the floor.
What do you mean? I'll just put it anywhere and start jacking if that's what you want. I know someone's done it before. Alright, now it says turn on the display. And you're gonna press the 0 out button. Wait for it to load up, I guess. Alright, so it says total 0, so press the 0 out button, yeah. Turn the screen on. Alright, so it's all zeroed out. Okay, now we start putting them underneath each wheel.
Hey, look, it's green.
Doesn't weigh. Am I not allowed to put my hand there?
Well, I'm just saying, where am I gonna put my hands here?
On the car. What do you want me to do it? Yeah, push down on that plastic fender. Crack. Okay, moment of truth. What do you?
Okay.
What are you betting? What are you betting? You weighed this thing already, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I swear.
You fucking liar.
No, I swear I did.
It weighs 3950.
Nuh-uh. You're joking. Oh, yeah, I knew it.
How? How does that weigh 3,300 pounds?
I told you.
Nah, dude, there's something funny. This thing's messed up. We gotta send it back. Ain't no way.
I knew it. Dude, I said 33. Look at that. I was off by 10 pounds.
How?
And I swear to you, I didn't. I swear.
It's got like off-road sway bars and shit like that. Like...
Dude, it's a freak of nature, man. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Yes. What? Wait, we didn't bet.
Oh, it's too late now. It's too late.
Dinner at Pluckers.
Well, it's
You're
too
paying.
late. It's too late. We didn't bet.
Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna do what you do to me. Dinner at Fogo de Chao.
We didn't even bet. You can't bet after we've done seen the results.
Dude, I'm excited.
No. All right, now hop in.
We're gonna tell everybody how much I weigh.
Yeah, obviously everyone can do the math. Damn! You gained some weight, dude. You got 20 pounds on me. It's a full setup. Now we just gotta take her to the track, find out where we can make some modifications. We need to take her to the track now before we start making changes, just so Raymond can get some experience, because he's never driven anything faster than what, like 11-second car. That's pretty much. That's what the Pro Charger was good for, anyways. So once he gets a little bit of experience and gets motivation, hopefully we can start really doing some serious stuff, getting fast. Maybe after that, we can find a dyno to put it on and see what power it makes, right?
Yeah.
And we'll go from there.
Yep.